In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing in 2023, even as a beginner. Step 1. Choose a niche. Choosing a good affiliate marketing niche involves identifying a topic or product category that meets the following criteria. Demand. There should be a high demand for products or services in the niche. This can be determined by researching trends and looking for products or services that people are actively searching for online. Competition. The niche should not be too crowded, as this can make it more difficult to stand out and make sales. At the same time, there should be enough competition to indicate that there is money to be made in the niche. Interest. You should be interested in the niche and have a passion for the products or services you will be promoting. This will make it easier to create content and promote the products, and will also help you build a loyal audience. Profitability. The niche should offer products or services that have a good profit margin, so you can make a good return on your investment of time and effort. By considering these factors, you can choose a good affiliate marketing niche that is both profitable and enjoyable to work in. Step number 2. Find affiliate programs. There are a few ways to find good affiliate marketing programs. Search online. One way to find affiliate programs is to search online. You can use search engines like Google to search for keywords related to your niche, such as health and wellness affiliate programs or outdoor gear affiliate programs. This can help you find a list of potential programs to join. Join an affiliate network. Another way to find affiliate programs is to join an affiliate network. There are websites that can connect affiliates with merchants who are looking for affiliates to promote their products. Some popular affiliate networks include Commission Junction, Share a Sale, and Amazon Associates. Contact companies directly. If you have a specific company or product in mind that you'd like to promote, you can contact them directly to ask about their affiliate program. Many companies have information about their affiliate programs on their website, or you can contact their customer service team to ask about becoming an affiliate. By using these methods, you can find good affiliate marketing programs that offer products or services in your niche and have a track record of success. It's important to carefully research each program and make sure it aligns with your goals and values before you join. Step 3. Build a website or online presence. There are a few steps to building an online presence for affiliate marketing. Choose a platform. Decide on the type of online presence you want to create, such as a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account. Each platform has its own strengths and limitations, so choose the one that best fits your goals and audience. Establish a brand. Create a brand identity for your online presence, including a name, logo, and color scheme. This will help you stand out and create a cohesive look and feel for your content. Create content. Start creating content that promotes the products or services you are affiliated with. This could include reviews, how-to guides, and other types of content that showcase the benefits of the products or services. Engage with your audience. Interact with your audience by responding to comments and answering questions. This can help you build a loyal following and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Promote your content. Share your content on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. You can also use paid advertising to promote your content to targeted audiences. By following these steps, you can build an online presence that effectively promotes the products or services you are affiliated with and helps you earn income through affiliate marketing. Step number 4. Promote products or services. There are several ways to promote affiliate marketing products, including write product reviews. One effective way to promote affiliate products is to write detailed and honest reviews of the products. This can help potential customers understand the features and benefits of the products and make informed purchasing decisions. Create how-to guides and tutorials. Another way to promote affiliate products is to create how-to guides or tutorials that demonstrate how to use the products. This can be especially effective for products that are complex or have multiple features. Use social media. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest can be effective channels for promoting affiliate products. You can share images and videos of the products, as well as create posts that showcase their features and benefits. Participate in forums and online communities. Participating in forums and online communities related to your niche can help you reach a targeted audience and promote your affiliate products. You can share your thoughts and experiences with the products and include your affiliate links in your posts. Use paid advertising. Paid advertising such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads can help you reach a wider audience and promote your affiliate products to targeted groups of people. By using a combination of these methods, you can effectively promote affiliate marketing products and drive sales. It's important to be transparent about your affiliate relationships and follow any laws and regulations that apply to affiliate marketing. Step 5. Track your results. The best way to track your results in affiliate marketing is to use an affiliate tracking tool. These tools, which are often provided by affiliate networks or by the merchants you are affiliated with, allow you to track your sales and commissions in real time. Some common features of affiliate tracking tools include sales tracking. This allows you to see how many sales you have made and how much money you have earned in commissions. Link tracking. This allows you to see which of your affiliate links are performing the best and which ones are not. Conversion tracking. This helps you see how many visitors to your website or social media account are converting into customers. Real-time reporting. Many affiliate tracking tools provide real-time reporting, so you can see how your efforts are paying off in near real time. By using an affiliate tracking tool, you can get a clear picture of your performance and make informed decisions about how to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. It's important to regularly review your tracking data and make adjustments as needed to improve your results. By following these steps, you can start an affiliate marketing business in 2023 and begin earning income through commissions on the products or services you promote. Remember to be transparent and follow any laws and regulations that apply to affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.